What's up, everybody? Ishan here from DC Me Rollin'. Just wanted to come back and introduce another new item to you guys. A couple weeks ago, we showed you guys our butter chicken tacos, and by very popular demand, you guys asked that we add garlic naan as an option, so we've done that right over here. We've got the same toppings, our white Pakistani rice, more butter chicken on top to fill up the whole naan. We've put our cucumbers, our onions, and our white sauce drizzled over the top. Very, very excited about this item. Cannot wait to get all you guys out here to try it. Rolling these out this week.